Makirongoreria njuragano iria irahanikire kaunti-ini ya Siaya na Migori mirurungano-ini ya guthingereria mogaruruku kamiti-ini ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC riu atongoria ngwataniro-ini ya NASA ni maugite borithi ni marahuthira hinya mukiru ona muthutukanio.
In Luo Nyanza in particular, there is clear policy of ethnic targeting being implemented with brute force. There is determination to turn Luoland into the Biafra or Kosovo of Kenya. The sole purpose of these actions is to help Uhuru Kenyatta and Jubilee keep power at all costs. We warn that this country will pay heavily for these policies if they are not stopped now.
Orengo akiuga ati na marina rofotino gereru igithiriti ya maafitha ugitina ikundi itarejitikirie ni thirikari muroto ari kuguraria rurugani ya NASA.
We have seen militia roaming the streets and descending on supporters in police uniforms while carrying tear gas canisters. We have reasonable grounds to believe that these two state officers, Matiang'i and Boynet, are criminally responsible for crimes against humanity that are being meted out on NASA supporters in the name of preserving public order. We hold the two responsible for the hiring of militia and dressing them in police fatigues and arming them with tear gas and gun.
Nagukire ogwo riu NASA ni yorotete minister wa ugitiri wa thini wa ihinda Dagitari Fred Matiang'i na inspector munene wa borithi Joseph Boynet akiuga ni mamurite borithi mahuthire hinya mukiru.
This policy is being executed by the Interior Cabinet Secretary Fred Matiang'i and the Inspector General of Police Mr. Joseph Boynet. Boynet in his role as Inspector General of National Police Service and Matiang'i as Cabinet Secretary for Interior have authorized the use of excessive and lethal force in attacks against NASA supporters. They have also authorized the use of militia and killer gangs to kill NASA supporters.
NASA riu ikirutira mukana thirikari ya President Kenyatta makiuga mekuhuthira mawatho ma Rome Statute megie guthaitira ihoto cia muingi uthitaga Minister Matiang'i na Inspector Joseph Boynet.
If the brutality against our people continues, we will not sit back and see our people being butchered. We will take actions that will ensure the self-defense of our people against a marauding state. And we want Uhuru Kenyatta to be aware that he is steadily driving the country towards the end of Kenya as we know it. He and his officers must be prepared to shoulder the consequences.
Na ciegi igithurano mubunge wa Suna ya irathiro kiharo-ini gia Kamukunji niugite riu mekwenda onake Chebukati eherie kamiti-ini ya IEBC gukumakiranira gutwarithia mirurungano yao na mbere kuma mwambiririo wa kiumia turorete ona thengia wa gwikirirwo mukana micini minene. Girifotera Kameme TV, Nijitago Mwaura wa Dongo.